Greetings from Stafylos Beach in Skopelos Island in Greece. After spending the most of the day at Velanio Beach, which is just around the corner, now I am exploring the beach that I came to in the morning first, running from Skopelos city. This is Stafylos Beach. And now it is 5:52 p.m. here at Stafylos Beach. That it's not so wide beach as such, but quite long indeed. And this is the very end of the beach. Actually, that is not, there are no sunbeds here. And yes, 5:53 p.m. is the clock right now, and it's time for yet another beach adventure with Chris. And Stafylos is yet another beach that I'm showing you on my channel. And it's quite interesting indeed, even though we are now aiming the end of the day, but the sun is still up, and this is how we do it in Skopelos. Now I'm gonna go a bit further in where the sunbeds are, because it is a bit better to enter into the water. It is still 26 degrees Celsius in the air, and I'm very confused because it is 26 throughout the whole day, even during the night. So very steady temperature here in Skopelos. So you can see now towards the whole of the beach, and there are even some boats here as well. Yachts, I would say. And the sun is up, and Stafylos Beach in Skopelos. So from here you have around 4.5 kilometers to Skopelos city, where I'm actually staying. And not so far away from here, as I mentioned, is Velanio Beach and the Velanio Beach that I have visited as well. So now there are not so many people left on the beach because people are maybe hungry and went home for lunch or soon dinner as well. But this is how the sunbed look like on the Stafylos Beach, and the view towards the sea and the forest as well. All right, then it's time to take a swim here at Stafylos Beach in Skopelos. Let's go. Oh yeah, perfect swim to refresh myself before I run for 4.5 to 5 kilometers back to Skopelos city. And let me show you more of the beach that looks like this. Quite amazing. It's the same setting actually as Velanio Beach, but with a bit more people, as Velanio is more of a hidden beach, but there were some people as well there on the public beach, and also on the nudist one, so check out those episodes as well. But overall, the day 2 of my vacation has been amazing so far, and I have explored 2 new beaches here in Skopelos, and there will be more exploring for sure. Indeed. So yeah, with this wonderful view that we're having, and whole 27 degrees in the sea as well, it's time to wrap up this episode soon. But first I'm gonna show you a bit more of the views as we swim around in this perfectly nice water on this 1st of September. So happy month. And let September bring us lots of great things. So yeah, day 2 out of 8 days here, of which 2 I will spend in Skiathos, One was yesterday and one was the last day of the departure back home to Stockholm. And 6 days now in Skopelos, of which one is already done. So time is really flying fast indeed. So thank you so much for watching this episode from Stafylos Beach in Skopelos. And I'm gonna be sure seeing you again on my channel with another beach adventure. And the channel is called Beach Adventures with Greece.